Bow windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Tampa, Florida, seeking to enhance their home's aesthetic and functionality. Bow Windows installation in Tampa offers a unique architectural feature that can transform any room. With a variety of bow windows, Tampa styles available, homeowners can choose from vinyl bow windows, wooden bow windows, and aluminum bow windows to match their home's design. Custom bow windows in Tampa provide a tailored solution for those looking to add a personal touch to their home. Bow window experts in Tampa can guide you through the process of selecting the perfect bow window design to suit your needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient bow windows or seeking bow window enhancements, there are numerous bow window options available to meet your requirements. Bow Window Replacement in Tampa is a service offered by many reputable bow window companies. These bow window contractors specialize in providing high-quality bow window solutions that ensure durability and longevity. Bow window maintenance is crucial to preserving the beauty and functionality of your windows, and many bow window specialists in Tampa offer comprehensive bow window services to keep your windows in top condition. The cost of bow windows. Tampa can vary depending on the materials and design chosen. Bow window cost is influenced by factors such as the type of materials used, with vinyl bow windows often being more affordable than wooden or aluminum options. Bow window suppliers and bow window manufacturers in Tampa can provide detailed quotes to help you budget for your bow window project. Energy-efficient bow windows in Tampa are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow window benefits extend beyond energy savings, offering increased natural light and improved curb appeal. For those in need of bow window replacement in Tampa, there are numerous bow window contractors available to address any issues. Whether it's a simple fix or a more complex replacement, Bow Window Replacement services in Tampa ensure your windows remain functional and attractive. Bow window upgrades can also be considered to enhance the performance and appearance of your existing windows. Bow window features such as expansive views and additional seating space make them a desirable addition to any home. Bow window design in Tampa can be customized to fit your specific preferences with options for different shapes, sizes, and finishes. Bow window enhancements can include features like built-in blinds or decorative glass to further personalize your windows. Bow window specialists in Tampa are well-versed in the latest trends and technologies in window design. They can provide expert advice on bow window options that best suit your home's architecture and your personal style. Bow Windows Tampa services encompass everything from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring a seamless experience for homeowners. Choosing the right bow window contractors in Tampa is essential for a successful installation or replacement project. Look for bow window companies with a proven track record of delivering high-quality workmanship and excellent customer service. Bow window experts in Tampa can help you navigate the various bow window solutions available, ensuring you make an informed decision.